CourseCREEK is an agency, a boutique agency that helps coaches, authors, thought leaders, companies, and really anybody with an existing self-paced online course or an existing live cohort training program get better results. That is to say that we are specialists in taking a look at your current e-learning solution and increasing the conversions, be it sales, revenue, leads, list building, whatever the case may be. All right, we are fantastic at helping you get more out of what you've already put a lot of work into. And for those that don't have an online course, no worries, we got you covered as well. We've helped a lot of people build courses for the very first time. So if you're interested in learning more about what we can do for you, click the link below. Let's have one of those Zoom discovery calls, or you know what, don't be shy, just pick up the phone and we can go old school and give me a call. That works perfectly fine as well.